आज बात करते हैं फिलॉसफी की दुनिया के सबसे पावरफुल और डेंजरस आइडिया के बारे में जिसे दिया था फ्रीडरिक नीचा ने। इस कॉन्सेप्ट को कहते हैं उबरमेंश।
Dangerous to whom? Powerful for whom? Nietzsche wasn't trying to create a dangerous or a powerful concept for society. Rather, he was documenting a threat, a danger that he saw in his own lifetime, which was the collapse of the Western moral foundation. Calling it the most powerful idea is a good way to sell a reel, but it's a terrible way to read a philosopher who spent his life dismantling fixed hierarchy of ideas.
नीचा का उबरमेंश कोई सुपर हीरो नहीं बल्कि एक ऐसा शख्स है जिसने अपने आप को पा लिया है। ऐसे लोग इंसानियत के एक ऐसे लेवल पर पहुंच जाते हैं जहां पर उन्हें कोई नहीं छू सकता।
Okay, what is the source of this? Because calling Ubermensch a person or a specific level that you have to reach is the same fundamental error that people did in 1930s when they were reading him. You're treating a metaphysical concept like a destination on the map. Nietzsche was very clear. Ubermensch isn't a physical race. It isn't a group of some alpha guys, or it isn't some kind of goal that you reach in your life. It is simply a vision for the future that doesn't exist yet. The Ubermensch is a constant state of overcoming. If you think you have found yourself, you have stopped being the bridge.
कि उबरमेंश की क्या क्वालिटीज होती हैं ये भी मैं आपको बता देता हूं। सबसे पहले तो नीचा अपनी जिंदगी की जिम्मेदारी खुद लेता है। वो कभी भी किसी सहारे का इंतजार नहीं करता।
Again, I have to ask for the source. When did Nietzsche become a self-help guru for the grindset community? But Nietzsche actually laughed at this idea of autonomous individual who takes full responsibility of his actions. He called it a myth created by theologians so that they could punish people. For him, the self is a battlefield of competing drives.
उबरमेंश की एक बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी ये है कि वो भेड़ बकरियों की तरह जिंदगी नहीं गुजारता। He lives life with line morality.
Okay, line morality is not even a thing.
दोस्तों, फ्रीडरिक नीचा ना उबरमेंश के जरिए फ्यूचर का एक ऐसा इंसान तैयार कर रहा था जो केओस से निकलेगा और पूरी इंसानियत को एक नया मॉरल फ्रेमवर्क देगा।
The ultimate irony. You're thinking that Nietzsche wanted to give humanity, or the Ubermensch wanted to give humanity some kind of moral framework. If we try to create our own moral systems, we all will be living life very differently, according to very different principles. And we all try to follow some kind of moral framework that was given to us by some kind of Ubermensch. This is exactly what Nietzsche was trying to critique in his own time. If the Ubermensch will organize or leave some kind of chaos and give new moral framework to humans, then again, we all are sheep.
उबरमेंश पैदा नहीं होता, वो अपने पास्ट को कत्ल करके अपनी पुरानी आइडेंटिटी को मर्डर करके तैयार होता है।
Okay, there is no murdering of the past. For Nietzsche, everything was important. He called it amor fati, which means the love of fate. Whatever my past is, whatever my future is, it is mine. Nietzsche specifically told people not to read him blindly. But what have we done? We have framed his quotes and decorated him on our walls. We have created a new idol.